Yes. Okay, YouTube started, which is about to open this here. Okay, Twitch is going as well. Okay. Yo, okay. Gotta open this. Okay, YouTube is here, Twitch is here. That means we're good. Okay. Let's make the first playable level, which will be just a small one, a simple one. How do we do that? We do that by making a copy of this one and deleting away whatever's not necessary. Hell yeah. My playlist. One music. Where is it? How far is it? I need to save it in a better place. Okay, yeah, so maps. This is the arena. We'll just copy paste it. And it should be just that easy. Copy pasta demon will get you. What you mean? What you mean? I mean, does this not work? Is this not okay? Just copy the level and then just change it? Is this not good? It does work, right? It does. It does. I know. Got my chips. Please stop. I'm very sensitive. Suddenly you got a great game idea. What the hell? Yeah, tell me. I'm here to see. Yes. Put it on the chat so everybody sees it. Okay. I'm to delete everything. What the fuck? Oh, wait, don't delete the wall. We still need the wall. Because you know, you see all those systems and like everything already set up here. Like this area would be the same for both sides, so you know, for the most part, the important things are there. It's just the asset placement that changes. Oops. Don't need this. This. What the hell? There was something here all along? I had no idea. There's more! Yeah, that's why. It's all those things that already set up around. Saves time. See, for the most part, it will be just this area. Just a small little space. This will be the shopping area. No, I've heard about it, but that's something I really didn't look into, like, ever. I mean, I did see the video, and it seemed so complicated that I was like, I'm not gonna burn my time on that. And then I gave up. Yep. I have used geometry nodes, yes, though only by following tutorials. I do not know how to make my own. 100% do not know how to make my own. Well, you say that, but I still have no idea how to do geometry nodes by myself. And why would I need that anyway? It's just a simple little thing. It's a couple of things to put there. Snapping. Let me at least do the fun stuff manually, please. It is, though, I agree. He definitely is suffering, yep. It is. Nope, not what I wanted to do. Just wanted to have them somewhat symmetrical. I'm listening to this. It's a video without title. Just almost a whole day of just chill music. It's nice for game development. At least when I'm streaming anyway. When I'm just working alone, I mainly listen to like punk funk. Depends on the level of my headache. Smiley. Game on. We have a problem here. There are certain things I'm spawning in the previous map at certain locations. I need to change this so I can spawn stuff around on the second map. Is there a way to switch on level? Oop. Yes, I do. What about it? You mean I should spawn these things there to the level blueprint instead of the game mode? You could do that, yeah. You say interface, I hear cast. Yeah, it does. It is in place. Oh. By the way, I don't think you've ever seen my first level with this game. Oh wait, I forgot which one it was. I think it's the minimal one, or is it this one? Yeah, this one. This is the first level I had for the demo in the game jam. Also, it crashed. I guess it's compiling shaders. So this is the shop. This was the shop where you start. Had a whole like intro. Actually, I can show you the intro. I would love to show you actually. Let me pause the music and enable my desktop audio instead. Let's see if I have it in here. Okay, is this it? I'm not sure. Let's see if it is, I guess. No, this is not it. This is not it. I don't know where the heck I put the package version. Nope, that's not it either. We definitely have it somewhere. Nope. You know what? I can just go on itch. Get it from there. Can't really find it. Even made a mobile version. Yeah. Okay, here we go. You ready? There's a whole intro engine. Oh, hell yeah! I got the last biscuit. My wife's gonna be so happy. What the fuck is all that noise outside? Oh, hell nah! This is my biscuit! Hope that played. That was the intro. And this is the game. And see, the biscuit actually glows behind the wall. I made it in, what was it, a week or two, I forgot. Ooh. God damn it! Motherfucker went back inside. What? Oh. Trick you, bitch. You gotta cheat them. Oh no! Oh no! No! Madness. Madness. Biscuit. No! Get a biscuit! Oh god! Somebody went on the other side. Where you going? Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm almost there. Ooh. Ah. Oh, no. Wait, I had it. Shit. No. Oh, God. No, they gotta eat all the biscuit. That guy is stuck there. Yes, yes. Oh, I missed. No. They gotta eat the biscuit. Stamina. Oh, I had it. Biscuit has been completely eaten. You've lost, and your wife will go hungry. Yep. That was the game I made for the jam. So you probably see why people are like, you gotta make a multiplayer version. Yeah. Yeah. Or 2 weeks, I forgot, but either 1 or 2 weeks, yeah. You do it. Yeah, this was the map. You just gotta get home. Right here. You just gotta get right here. And you win. That was it. Just a simple little game. Alright, so yeah, wait. These are the doors. Okay, 2 doors, the cookie checker and the cookie. That's about it. This is the ragdolls. Login. Adding the players. Yeah. We can move this. I'm not gonna, just gonna copy paste it and move it to the level. This is for the game mode. I know this is not the way to do it. I know, but this is the way I know how to do it. I'll definitely have to fix it eventually. Hmm. Why are there 2 of them? Okay, and we want to spawn the cookie right here. Spawn the cookie. I would want the cookie to be a bit bigger though. I spent many hours on that demo though. Many hours. Per day. Wait, where am I reducing the size of the biscuit? Oh, here. Okay. So this location. What'd you do? What the fuck you thanking me for? What did you fix? What were you dealing with? And how the hell does me streaming help? Out of sync variable. An enumeration server think it's one thing, clients think it's another thing. What the fuck? Oh. The doors are not working. Oh shit, that's that's way too high. And wanna start this I want to start this without physics enabled. Oh, okay, things broke. Gonna need to fix. Well, I'm glad you fixed it. Congrats, good for you. I shall continue suffering. And the cookie, we don't want this to be simulated physics at the start until it gets picked up by somebody. You were thanking me as I thought you already fixed it. Yeah, we got two of them there. Is this centered? It's a bit hard to tell if it's centered. Oh, funny. Oops. Oh no, wrong place. Wrong place. I think I put the wrong thing. Yeah, I did. When you're working besides streams, do you watch or listen to anything? I used to just enjoy having like a series playing on the side when I'm not used to. I still do when I'm just working without streaming. I either have some anime playing or a series or some YouTube like Linus Tech Tips just to hear shit in the background. And when I'm streaming, obviously I can't do that, otherwise I cannot speak, so I have to listen to chill music. Yo, what music you listen to? I used to really listen to Lofi a lot in the past while game developing, like while making game. Oh, you're gonna get bored of me too eventually. But that's a nice compliment. A nice review. Thank you. I don't know, when I'm walking I feel like the area it's too big. Hey, you here? You here? Are you non? What's that mean? Shut the fuck up. I appreciate the support. Small Pepsi. Kinda sad though. Before you, I had another guy here. His name was Zelda. I don't know if you guys met. You might have popped in when Zelda was not around anymore already. Zelda was always here before you came. I think he was just there to keep me company for the most part, honestly. He's a great dude. But also for you too, you don't have to be here if you don't feel like it. Oh, you didn't miss Zelda. Okay, bad memory. I need to order food. Yeah. I've had days when I was streaming all alone, non-stop. Like the whole thing was just nobody there, 100%. And you know, speaking alone kind of makes you feel like you're going mad. Thank you, appreciate that. I ordered the Subway today. I was like, please give me olives, mushrooms, cucumbers, onions. All that it comes with, it's a few slices of cabbage and 2 slices of tomato and the chicken breast. Where's the rest of my stuff? And I ordered from there because it was a discounted place. I got my discount, I guess. Fucking motherfuckers. Domino's, yes, I haven't had Domino's in a while. What did you have? Was it tasty? He become a ball. You're a ball. He bowling. It was mid. Sedge. There was a pizza I used to like from Domino's. I don't remember what it's called anymore. But they removed it here, so that was it. I live so far away from society. It's the only takeout that delivers, and I really didn't want to drive to the city to get anything. Oh man, that sucks. I wouldn't want to live. No, I come from a village with village very far away from city with cows and pigs and horses. We had everything, but no delivery. Guess what? After I left and moved to Dubai, they built a pizza joint and other stuff around the place that do food delivery. Where were you when I was there? Motherfuckers. Now my parents can order food anytime if they feel like it. Meanwhile, after I left, they came. Sons of bitches. I feel like eating some shrimp today. Shrimp. $15. Damn, he even using kilometers. Thanks. 15 kilometers. So far away. You can literally just walk around naked. There will be nobody to give a shit in the world about you. And I'm guessing you with the missus? True. Point taken. You got kids? You 40? Any kids? Ooh. You know, I was even thinking to myself just now. Imagine his, as you say, one of the gays. I should have corrected myself. Okay, still never thought of adopting. Or you are one of those people like me who appreciates their time way more than anything. Yeah, my bad, my bad. Shrimps. Nice. What you mean at the right time, bro? You 40 already. And adopt when you're 60? Why, just to carry the name? um, I, for one, I'm lucky to have a partner, my wife, who feels the same as me and doesn't want kids. I don't think that will ever change for both of us in the future. I'm just happy we are on the same page about that. Kids are a very dangerous investment of at least 18 years. No, thank you. I appreciate me time. Oh, working on the house. Okay, okay. It's giving you the dodges. You should play more Dark Souls so you can catch it better. You say that, but even now I cannot play them. I never was able to. I'm a really bad Souls-like player. I tried, I cannot. And then one game I really wanted to beat was Code Vein. I had to use cheats in the end. I couldn't finish it otherwise. Just not possible. Done. Food ordered. Nice. Conditional breakpoints, huh? Yeah, I guess so. It's very simplistic. Yeah. Okay. It's, what the hell? Did you see that it was saying 0 angles, but then it was weirdly placed? Oh no, it's okay. I was mainly just talking to myself. Don't worry about it. I was just rotating this, and it was saying rotation at 0, but then it wasn't 0. It was a bit slanted. Okay, let's adjust this one. This is the weapon spawning, the ability spawning volume. You know, I always felt my game was pretty simple, so is it really true that too much multicasting, relying too much on multicast is gonna cause the game to just have so bad network performance? I just don't know other ways, you know. I try to look for courses online, and this is what you mostly get. Mostly multicasts. I would love to find a more in-depth course on network application with blueprints. I would love that, but It's only a few of them. I will figure out a better way. Definitely need to reduce the casts. That's the issue with the delays. That's why there's so much delays. The casts. Trying to see if I can make like a slightly bit different layout here. Oh god, no, don't say that. You're gonna stress me out. I appreciate you saying that, but better logic. I'm gonna get stressed out. I'm really no good with one-to-ones stuff and yeah, basically that. And I don't feel okay wasting your time. I know you what you're gonna say. I know, just don't feel okay wasting your time. So don't think about it. Don't think about it. Oh God, you wanna try to confuse me? No, though, like I said, I would just love to find more in-depth courses on networking for blueprints. There are for C++, but I don't know C++, so looking at it makes me more confused. Maybe there's something by now. I'll try to look sometime. Yeah, I think the size of the map is not too bad. Pretty decent. Definitely need to build something for seeing yourself through the wall. Yeah. And see stuff like this. I don't know how I'm gonna handle this where the wall disappears and then you're like, where can I go further? But hey, thanks for the thought though. I appreciate it. I'm pulverized. Oh yeah, completely gone. Don't you feel Unreal Engine physics are very finicky and so easy to go through a wall when you got something with physics? I already can see that happening. Yeah. Da, să rămână, mami, dacă tot ești aici. Doar fac treaba. Seara bună, să rămână. This one's a bit weirdly placed. Okay. Nice. Wait, we got 2 biscuits here? Yeah, 2 biscuits. Wait, why am I spawning 2? What the hell? So we got one here. We got this spawning. What the hell? Oh shit, I can't even let it go. What is happening? Why everything broken? Time to do another delay. Just for testing purposes. I cannot let go of the cookie. Oh no. Then this is still failing. Queen, look what you made me do, Queen. You did this. I don't know why. This is coming, wait, is this the correct game mode? It is. I don't know why this is invalid. What the hell? Yeah, but last time we fixed it with the delay. This time it doesn't wanna work with the delay. Like, what the hell? Isn't the level owned by the server? So why wouldn't it work? Weird bullshit. Oh no, I don't want to. I've always been trying to avoid get all actors of class. That would suck. That would suck. Also, I don't know why I can't let go of the biscuit, and why are there 2 of them? I mean, I know version control software. I don't got none. I don't got any. Mommy. Okay, but my parents are also watching me right now. They're sending me messages. They're asking me to wave. Salud. Yeah, why is it not working though? That is cute. Yeah, I know. Yeah, my parents are in Romania, so they're far away. Mhm. Yeah, yeah, well, in a way, it's true. You are building, you are playing game while making game. It's true. That's facts. Wait, I'm in the wrong place again. Is the game mode persistent, or is it only the game instance that is persistent? Oh, Queen, yeah, he just plays games all day. Da, bine, mami, să rămână. Seara frumoasă și somn ușor mai târziu. Eu aștept să vină mâncărica. Game mode should be persistent. Well, if it is persistent, I can make like a quick branch here in the game mode. And from the main menu, I can select and say, okay, they selected this map, just do this branch. I no need to replicate, that's fine. Dată cicule, mulțumesc, să rămână. Nu înțelege. Dată cicule, vorbesc pentru ăștia în engleză aici. No, I was I don't know why the reference is not working here, this reference. So it's weird. This is an excellent use of an actor component to be a cookie manager. I'm sure it would be. That's true, it's true. Look, I have a blueprint interface here for the cookie. I don't even think if I ever used it. Yes, indeed. Why are the doors not working though? Like, look at this. For some reason the doors are not working. I go to the door, it ain't opening. It's open, but open on the server only. Bullshit. Something with the branch here. It's saying that my game cast is not working. What the hell? You know what? Probably I'll just keep it up with the game mode instead. Let's see if I just plug this in, if the most of the issues just get fixed, then or if it's still broken. When the door is spawned by the game mode instead of the level, the doors work. When the biscuit is spawned by the game mode instead of the level, it works as it should. So I guess ownership issue? Is that it? Is that why things are broken? Because when the level spawns everything, there's no ownership? Okay, anyway, let's just do the way I said. We'll do with the branch. Later can use like switch on enumeration and run the same code. Fine. Is there such a thing? Like, do error logs even say that? Okay, wait. Where do I check that? In the output. Okay. Oh god, the output. I don't know what's wrong with my output. My output makes my whole engine like crazy. Where was the output again? I'm already scared to open it. You're not lagging? Yeah. Yep. No owning connection. Yep. That was right. That's what I said. Friendly yellow. It's screaming at me anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna close this because I don't know. This time we were lucky. We were lucky this time, but in the past when I open it, just my whole engine going crazy. It's very bad. Anyway, like I said, we'll just do it like that with the branch based on which map is selected. I think that will do fine. What is this? I forgot. Some vector stuff, I guess. You know how it is. Everybody has their own way of coding, right? If it works, it works. If it works, it works. Exactly. I mean, one day I will worry about how I code if I ever end up working for a company or something. Till then, let me deal with my bad habits. Oh, fuck! I cannot. Okay. Yeah, yeah. That's a good way to say it. Yes. It's just, what's the thing? I really appreciate you saying. My problem is I just have a really hard time with new things. It's taken me almost 10 years to even get to this point, and I haven't even released a game yet. So when you come and tell me a better way to do it, I'm just like confused because I really have no idea how to do it. I would need time to go research it and learn how to do it. Like, I still don't know how to do interfaces properly, even though I watched so many tutorials about it. So you get it. It's not that I don't appreciate you. I really do. And I even keep them in mind. It's just changing the way I've learned things, which is why, again, I'm still stuck with cast instead of interfaces. It's because it's hard to change the way I've learned. It's having a hard time. Well, no. You're wrong. Wrong there. It's the one thing when I choose to do something a certain way, and it's another when I actually don't know a better way to do it. Like yesterday, Marango, he said that a couple of different ways to do something and that I've never thought about, never knew it can be done that way. What the hell? What happened? You got what does that mean? What the hell happened? Ah, I mean, no, like I said, it's okay. It's fine. Like I said, I have no idea how to do that. So I did save it. We'll look into it. It's fine. It's fine. It's a good thing that he did. I did save it, and I will look at it when I finally have time to change my ways, basically. I mean, look, I have it here. I have it saved here on my Giazo, and even have it with a note. Just thing for me to search in the future as point of reference. Yes, I have used like I've used Rep Notify, like in this case here. Um, Basically, I was stuck for a long time. I couldn't make a smooth moving platform, and I was really losing my brain over it because it was always jittery over the network. And then eventually, I came across a mention about doing it with Rep Notifies, and I was like, would that work? Would that be nice? And then I went and did it. And yeah, it's moving nice and smooth like this. And the Rep Notify, it's simple. Just when um, when this bull updates, changes, it runs either this or this, and then loops goes through the timeline again. So yeah, I kind of know the basics of Rep Notify, but in this case, doing how Marongo said, I think I would have I would need more time to figure it out how to do it. My parents were so happy to see me earlier. Don't get to visit them much, so sometimes when we get moments like this, they're happy. Like with the rep notify, the thing is I wouldn't know how to do a rep notify that notifies multiple kind of actors that care about it. Unless I do the rep notify on all of them separately. My rep notifies definitely seem like a better way than a multicast, but then you know what's my issue? Like I have no idea when I just think about it. How would I even go about doing rep notify on something like this? Like on a whole chunk like this? How would I run that through a rep notify and make it work properly and not passing on all the information as it should and everything? Event dispatchers and listeners are something you put on any actor and everybody hears it, right? Like everybody who has that listener and available. Yeah, okay. Definitely need to look into that, yes. But yeah, like I said, look at this. Look at this runs on the server. Look at how much it runs, and then from there it goes to more run on the server and more multicasts and a lot of other things, you know. The idea was to them notify your cookie and then dispatch it ready when it's ready and then listen for it in your widget. But wait, aren't widgets not replicated? Isn't it just on local? Can they receive this kind of thing? Unless you send it somewhere else and then take it from there for the widget? I don't know. But okay. Yeah, see, there's just so much I don't know about. And this is exactly why I say I always welcome it when somebody comes and says there's a better way to do this. 'Cause if you see me not doing it, there's a likelihood that I just don't know that a better way exists. Is your partner also in game development or a different field? Thank you. No, no. Why you like that? Why you caps? They don't like it either. Your partner does not work. Good life. Hey, is this? Bugger off. My. Does this ever happen to you? Sometimes I get to a point where, see, cannot delete, cannot copy, and sometimes even this doesn't appear anymore. Does this ever happen to you? Yeah. Wait, how is there a way to reboot the editor without closing and opening the whole thing? It just sucks less. Careful what you say that, careful what you say that. Some people might not like it. I am traditional. Someone needs to clean up after me and cook my food and water the plants. Yeah, I'll close the whole thing. Where is it? Here. Need to get it. I have a lot of things here that I don't need anymore from when I was working on label and stuff. Squarespace just took $73. My money. Oh, don't be like this. It's not that bad. What? It's mostly apps and games and text files. Well, good for you. You're a clean freak, aren't you? No offense. There's a food. Almost there. Well, it's fine. I don't see the desktop much, do I? There's always something open. Like right now, it's Unreal open. I don't see my desktop much. I just need my stuff where I can quickly get them. What's happening? Wait, why am I still spawning this? No. What's the matters? Ski works. What'd you do? What the hell? That's the matter just now. This again. Where is this from? Wait, so in your game, if you stay too long on your spawn screen, bombs start dropping? Ah, okay. Got it. Okay, what's happening here? Why am I getting this? ASEC access none from the widget. Or is this one that's access none? Let's change the color. Can't even read that. Ooh. Yep, something's coming empty. And am I setting this? Don't let me scroll, you son of a bee. Yo, he found it. He didn't get away in the end. Hell yeah. I had just not implemented the interface. Good for you. Good for you. Oh yeah, makes sense. Wait, so is the problem food delivery? I'll be right back when Yes. I'm back. You know, I never expected to spend so much time on this game. Any I scared Queen. I'm sorry. Suddenly coughing in your ears, huh? This is what I got. Let me switch to a brighter screen. Yeah. Got me some fries, fish fingers, chicken nuggets, and fried shrimp. Yeah. Each time I do this, I remember people doing that, and it just falls off the plate. Oh yeah, I do actually cook and really good stuff too. It's just I'm lazy. No. I just if I'm cooking, I don't stream. So days when I'm not streaming, I might be cooking. I can send you some of my dishes on Discord later. But yes, I do cook. My wife loves my cooking. Just putting a video for my cats in the background. My wife loves my food. I don't know what the hell you're saying. I guess. But yeah, if I don't feel like it, I don't really cook. It's usually only on special nights when we like watching a movie or stuff like that. Otherwise, I don't really cook. Well, why am I getting this? Let's do print one more time here. Like I said, they really should let us just print shit straight away instead of having to make this and make a conversion manually. Yeah, it comes empty. This here is empty. So, where is this from? Again, sorry for spooking you. Do you cook? Or does only your partner cook? Oh, okay. That's good too. Of course, I'll do cooking. Yes, please. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this motherfucker. He's always here. He's always here. Whenever I have food, he's there. What the fuck? What am I gonna do with him? He's gonna eat me one day. Come on. But otherwise, I do not venture to the kitchen on number place. Funny. There comes the bots again. Yeah, something cooked by me. Some chicken with rice and potato. Delicious. Very tasty stuff. This is my signature. Scrambled eggs with potato, ham, mushrooms. My signature, that's what I mostly eat. Soups, a lot of soups. Yep, about that. Thanks. When you have a wife who loves your cooking, cooking is a pleasure, right? Okay, so that works. Struggle to cook for 2 people. What you mean it's too much? Come on, how much do you guys eat? How many dishes are you? When we cook, it's just 1 dish and that's it. You're making many sides or what? What's eating your energy so hard? You are just 2. You're weird. You're weird. Yeah, true. It's alright. You got your place. It's all good. Right? Okay, so this works. Where am I calling this? Exactly. Everything's fine. Everybody has their own duties and purposes. Okay, so it's in here that I'm calling it and it doesn't get to happen. Oh, I think I know why. This is a 2 seconds delay. And here there's a 3 seconds delay. So this thing that makes references, this, what the fuck? That delay just despawned earlier. Damn. You son of a bitch. Take this. I was wondering why are my eyes more tired. I forgot to lower the brightness on my second screen. This thing here is godsend for PC. I will never understand why does Windows not have a built-in way of changing brightness for your monitor like you do on laptop. I'll never know. Okay, there was something I wanted to test for the cookie. Cookie. Hello? That thing just appeared out of nowhere. This is not needed anymore. Yeah, so I just want to print biscuit health. This is something else I dislike. When I try to print a float and it automatically goes into duration. The same for booleans. Can you bugger off? And I'll make this a different color. Darker pink. Yeah. Bullshit. And then also in my screen. Wow, actually tired. I'm personally amazed you at 40 even held so long. It's alright. Every day you win a rest. So go get some rest. Why like that? Oh, what happened? Where do I populate this? Where the fuck do I populate that again? I forgot. Oh, here, okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, so my issue currently is I do not know how to distribute and sync properly the score of the player. So when the player grabs the cookie and eats, the cookie health, cookie remaining value goes down, and instead the player's health goes up. Not health, points go up. but they are separate variables, and because of that we are desynced. Maybe I should figure out a way to use the same variable. So this is the biscuit's health. Meanwhile, the player score has this player score cookie from the player state. I do think I'm already, yeah, I'm doing this on the player. On the cookie. My bad. Go ahead and get it back. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm just thinking how to do this. He got water, why not Dr. Pepper? Enjoy your water. Small Pepsi. I highly doubt that. Dr. Pepper might have done better. Wait, it's only 9 p.m. for you? Wait, where the hell are you? I don't know, I always thought you from US. I guess you're not from US. Oh yeah, fuck UK. Wait, we did talk about this. Brain don't be braining, my bad. Yeah, he's not an American. He's the guy with the tea. He don't even drink tea. Yeah, my game was initially called Biscuit because I thought of UK. Then I changed it to Cookie because it's just more known because of US. Okay, so while you were gone, I was going through a dilemma. No, I know. My cookie used to be a biscuit. You can even still see the seam where the cream used to be. It used to be right here. For now, I just changed the colors. It used to be a cookie, a biscuit. And they might always get lost in my tabs here. Yeah, so currently I remove health from the biscuit by this amount, 1, and also give the player 1. Don't know why I feel like they're out of sync, but it shouldn't be out of sync. Sometimes need to give attention to the character. He like has dementia. Gets sad and lost sometimes. Let's do a print here. Make sure that everything is okay. Seems to be about right. And it's obviously happening way too fast as well. Funny thing is, when you're eating the biscuit, it's so huge that you don't even see where the hell you're going. Another thing I need to do is find a way to match the speed of the biscuit being eaten to the speed of it shrinking away. Also, sometimes it might become so tiny that it gets lost. It became inverted now. The biscuit starts at the size of 3. I might need GPT to do some calculations for this one because I do not know. Oh yeah, I always say. And thank you. It's just madness. It's stuck. Yeah, I know most people are like that. I talk to GPT like talking to a friend. Nice and light and easy. I was trying to figure out how to ask. I don't know if I asked correctly. So 0.003. Guess that would work, yeah. Okay. Thank you, GPT. Really? How do I plug that? Map load range. I put unclamped. What a hit. I've never used this before. keys left. So max 0 to 100 then. How did 0 to 3? It is 3, right? Yeah, I guess so. So what, I just plug it like this? Oh, that's a huge biscuit. Plug it differently. What's even coming out of here though? Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to figure it out, I guess. GPD, wait. Isn't that how it's already said? What you mean the output? Oh wait. This, maybe. Oh, that works. Oh, this is what I needed. it will be accurate like this. Wait, so let's test it. Make the hit amount faster. We don't want it to really go all the way to 0, because then it will be hard to find. That's what I was saying. Okay, good, that works. Nice. I was wondering something. If I increase this to 4 or reduce it to 2, I don't know which one. Don't be like that. Ah, wait, that also increases the size. Change the range instead. Basically, I don't want it to become tiny, like completely disappear when it reaches 0. I don't want it to disappear when it reaches 0. That's what. I want it to get smaller, but not 100% gone. Oh, the A. Oh yeah, that's gonna clamp it. Right. Wait, let me see here if this is okay, still findable. Oh. Yeah, see, I'm dumb. That's why I say, I think, yeah, that's pretty okay. That's why I say learning, like whenever somebody comes and tells me a whole new thing, a whole new method of doing everything, many things at once, I need time to figure it out. Okay, yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Thanks, Quinn. I appreciate this. Okay, and then when it reaches 0.5, it should stop, right? It did. Nice. We can make it 0.4. Hell yeah. Progress. I'm gonna need to make a backup after this. One sec. My cat is bullshitting. I would then suggest if you plug in the cookie scale. Cookie. This one. This one, I think it only updates once. Yes, at begin play. And we only need one. Like that. Yeah, you're right. Oh yeah. Now everything is in sync as it should be. Nice. Yes. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Well, that's why I was wondering if there was a way. I mean, there's definitely a way to make this happen. Just needed to look into it. As you know, when I made the demo for the jam, I just needed something to just be working quick, so I just hardwired everything. Yeah. Still do that. You shouldn't do that. You're making a full game now. Okay, okay. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I'm petting the cat. Got a cat here. True. And need to make sure it's not broken and it won't break anything or bug out. Hey. And in these Microsoft official dev policies, to make something good enough, if it works, it works. Okay, with that, I got that going already. Very nice. Just wondering, what did that picture used to look like? A simple one. This. Need to make some plants to put around. Some other stuff. Yeah, I guess next time we'll be doing a bit more model. We'll be doing modeling for the main one. Model a few simple shops. Some plants to place around. It's just me. What is it is? This this is a bit off center. Let's set the spawner for this. New ability every 15 seconds. Did any spawn around? There's one. Boomerang. Hui! Hui! I noticed my camera has a bit of a fisheye effect, I feel like it's stretching at the corners. What the fuck? Eh? What you got to do with my nose? The fuck my nose do? Okay, that works. I'm gonna have to figure out how to make a similar style texture. To apply it here. I mean, a tile texture shouldn't be too hard, right? It's just cubes with a line in between. Some plants here and there. Yes, yes. Oh, what if we add a second floor just raised here? Is he raised or risen? My English bad today. Something like this. And then we add 2 platforms here to climb on. Yes, yes. Just blocking out the level a bit. Turn these into ramps instead. I don't know. Each time I play, I feel like the map is huge. Other times, I feel like it's not. Yeah, that's really not my thing. I've never really done map designing before, to be fair. I remember watching those speed map designs in a real engine. I'm just like, wow, that looks amazing. Yeah, something like that so people can jump over. Space to run around. Could even add those here to let the player jump on top of it to climb up. You know, I'm repeating a lot of stuff, but one day when we have more options, it will be better. I don't know, when I go around, I feel like my character is very tiny compared to everything else around. Maybe it would be a good idea to change the scale of my character. I always felt like they were too small when going around. Okay, 2 is definitely too much, I guess. Somewhat better, I suppose. At least scale-wise, it feels better. The camera now feels too close now. No. It just feels nicer walking around in a way. Feels like I don't walk as much. Doesn't take as much time because fitting better the area. Camera. What do we have here? To increase the spring arm. Am I changing the spring arm anywhere? Feel great. Hell. Yeah, nice. Feels better now. Yes. Whew. I'm gonna have to make the biscuit a bit bigger, probably. Or it's big enough. Oh yeah, how does moving the biscuit around look like with network emulation? Yeah, it's not too bad. Oh, it doesn't really apply, doesn't follow the force of the character. Sometimes it just appears and drops down. Weird. Though, like you said, like you said in the past, need to actually test it on a real environment and see what happens. Also, I noticed when I pick it up, it changes size for a second. Like just that split of a second, it grows bigger and then adjusts. Even though I'm just everything can be fixed. Yeah, you know what it is though? I just don't want to spend a lot of time on this anymore. I've grown quite sick of this one because it wasn't exactly a game I wanted to make. Just it was nice to see people be like, oh, it will be nice as a multiplayer, and I was like, yeah, sure, I'll try and make it multiplayer for mainly for myself. I know it's not gonna sell or anything, right? So yeah. So yeah, you know, when you know that you are mainly just doing something for fun, like how when I'm making this, and that is done really gonna do much for you, there's not a lot of motivation there, right? Damn. The physics are not too bad, at least, even with the ping. I'm just wondering how it's gonna be when I actually play it. Look, the chair just went through the wall. Unreal. Unreal physics. The wall issues are very real. Yeah, we'll finish this level and then we'll do a playtest and see how it is with friends. Need to request more keys. We'll pass you a key as well. Show you the suffering. Yeah. I'll show you. I will give you a key to my game so you can feel the suffering. Oh yeah, how does this look upside down? Ugh, what kind of rotation is that? Doesn't look right. You know the suffering? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. It is true. Very true. Now, well, I think later tonight I'm gonna go look, see if there's any new courses or anything on networking. Would love to learn more, really. Okay, yeah, anyway. So this is the basic idea for the level. Yeah, thanks. Next time I'll be making some simple shops to throw around on the sides, some plants, we'll add railings. I'll make a simple texture with tiles for the floor, because otherwise it gets rather confusing when you are walking and you don't have points of reference. I remember the first time I started working on this map and I didn't have much things around. Walking around felt very weird with the blank floor, because it felt like you're just walking in place. What the hell? This is weirdly rotated. Oops. Okay. Yeah, pretty happy with this. This should be the first map, and then the second one is the one with the second floor. Jumping pads. Gotta make it fancy, gotta add jumping pads. Okay. I think now it's a good time as any to call it. It's almost 1 a.m. here. And be streaming for 2 hours and 45 minutes. Closing to 3. Thanks for the help. Again, saved me from a couple of stuff. Appreciate that. And time to call it. It was good enough. It's good enough. Time to make a backup as well before some shit happens and it's gone. Alright, Quinn. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. I'm explode now.